Make the black gold your lovely plants need. Mobile and easy to tumble, Miracle-Gro composters will produce fine fertilizer for your happy garden. Compact, single-chamber composters take little space but still fit up to 18 or 27 gallons of compost. With dual-chamber models, you can add compost ingredients to one section while letting the contents from the other cure. Choose from two options, 37 or 55 gallons. Designed for durability and heavy-duty year-round service. Rust-proof. Pest-free. With mixing bars inside and locking stoppers outside. Made of BPA-free, food-grade, UV-protected, totally toxin-free recycled plastic. Easy to set up. It takes less than 30 minutes to assemble with our online step-by-step instruction. Order your Miracle-Gro tumbling composter today and compost all year round, hassle-free.
Maize products are a market leader in composting in the Australian market. After years of development and testing, we proudly introduce the Maize Compost Tumbler, incorporating all the features you need to compost at home. The large barrel gives you plenty of space to create compost without taking up too much space in your backyard. This heavy-duty barrel is designed with the best material to endure constant turning and to withstand the elements over time. The ability to thoroughly mix the compost is vital to making good compost. However, turning a full tumbler can get heavy. That's why we designed this geared turning handle made up of heavy-duty parts working together, allowing easier turning even when the barrel becomes full. A locking ratchet will automatically lock the barrel in any position, as well as ensuring single-direction rotation. A key feature of the Maize Compost Tumbler is the ability to batch compost. This divider can create two compartments, so you will never have to stop composting. When one side is full, you can let it mature. Then you can simply start filling the second compartment. With the clock and plus indicators, you can keep track of which compartment is maturing and which one you are adding to. By the time one side is full, the other side is ready with fresh compost for your garden. Something you'll be doing quite a lot is filling your compost. With this large opening, you can easily add any waste to the barrel. And the one-handed sliding doors make accessing your compost simpler than ever. No metal hinges or locks. These easy-to-detach doors will make for comfortable filling and emptying of your compost. With a raised drum and a completely open stand, you can simply wheel in the maize composting cart underneath and empty your compost. The composting cart can permanently sit underneath the tumbler until needed, as well as collecting liquid from the composter through the air vents. Making compost at home has never been easier. With the Maize Compost Tumbler, you and your family can start reaping the rewards of recycling your waste and enriching your garden and the world.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go,